It's Tuesday morning. I'm just on my way up to see if we can bale some straw before it rains. But on my way past, I'm going to drop some topsoil off my mate Craig's. So I'm just fixing the dump trailer on.
Oh, it's a big old trailer. Just that way. Yeah, get a bit closer that way. Woohoo! Wowza! Yeah. Wowza! Look at that!
It's not that fence over, is it?
Woo! Yep, it's all out, mate, Clip.
This is the garden room that we built for Craig. Remember when we lifted them printed walls in? Well, he's made a bench with resin with all the old tools in the bottom.
Remove some of the stuff so you can see it's very dusty and bloody messy. But you've got
It's cool, that,
full
isn't it?
length of it. It hasn't been cleaned on the underside of it yet, but it goes all the way across here. It's about 6.5 metres with the two benches, and these tools are over 100 years, over 200 years old.
You should have put a 13 mil spanner in. You could never find them. And it's going to have lights underneath.
Yeah, the way I've built the benches under here is so we can use it as a desk. We've got cupboards in space, and then I've built a little channel. So I'll put some diffuser paper underneath, a load of little LED lights, and it'll just bounce a nice bit of like dull light coming through it, and it will look great. We've tested it and it does look good, but just can't wait to get it all finished. How was the wall you lifted up?
Yeah.
Still standing proud and solid.
The
Lights are made from old copper pipes that we had left over when I built the house. I'm a hinge, I won't throw anything away. I was trying to get a bit of a use out of it. But having a major sort out in our workshop, look at this, because this is going to turn into a bloody bungalow. This is what I spend my misspent evenings doing. Look at all this.
It looks like a bomb's gone off from last time I came.
Normally we're filming in this area, and we can't, because the tools get sorted out. Normally we're filming in this area, we can't, because there are too many tools in place, and normally we film our live QVC stuff about here. I can't even film in here now, because there's too much junk. The last thing we made was a little attic roof area there, and done. But yeah, big changes for this place.
Yep. Just up at Rainhill now. Morgan's done all the headlands. He's just going to quickly fly up and down the middle because we've got no sun, but you feel a breeze. But we've got breeze, so he's just going to stand this straw up a bit higher so it catches the wind and hopefully we can bale it. Class is here and a guy from France. So I mentioned the other day that I thought maybe the pickup reel should go faster on the baler. Class had seen it, and the guy from France who's like the baler expert was like, I'm in the country, we'll come and have a look, check everything's how it should be, see if there's any tweaks we can do with it. So fair play, like only half mention it and then suddenly they're here, so amazing. Right, so we just need to adjust that roll around a little bit. Them pegs there could go to that other hole, that'll help. And then also if we lift the drawbar so that the chassis sits flatter, it makes a big impact to how it feeds. So we're just going to do some tweaks. We probably won't do the drawbar now because it's going to rain in a bit, but that will make a massive difference apparently as to how it feeds. So it's not pointing down. Up a sandstone been thrown off. I like the back of your t-shirt. International. Okay. Got the outside row to bale and a couple of rows over there, but it's just starting to rain now. You see it on the camera. You see it, let's all tractor on it. Just to prove it is raining, although it doesn't look like it is. It's just spitting now. It's windy though, so it'd be blowing off nearly at the same time, but they've done some little tweaks on the pickup reel, changed some settings. Reckon we're getting another 20% out of it now, and if we adjust the drawbar we'll get probably a bit more. So it's pretty good really, get a bit more capacity out of it. The rain's just about holding off. He's only got to get from there right round. Oh no, sorry, to there. He's got an L shape to do, and then that's another field cleared. John's just rooking them up now. Morgan's gone for another trailer. I'm going to take one back now as well. I'll leave this dump trailer in this yard up here. This is quite annoying now actually, it's the rain. Hopefully the wind stays though. Rain stopped and it's got even windier now. And it feels crispy dry, so we're just going to keep baling. Probing at 12% as well. The rain has just completely missed us, so I've just quickly put the rake on. Ooh, wrong one. And I'm just going to go and rake a bit more now. We'll turn it over and see how it goes. And we'll just keep baling until it gets too damp. Big stone there that the combine head is flexed over, isn't it? Stuck behind one of these tractors. Oh, just want to get going. Late from work. So we catch the side of the rake on that bale, bend the time. Can you tell the chips have just arrived? Everyone's stopped. Started spitting again. John's just got them rocked up. Rob's gone onto that other field now, see if he can bale there a bit drier. This was still a bit damp, so we'll just keep going and mop what we can up. But I'm pretty pleased. I didn't think we get much baled at all today, and we probably baled about 50 or 60 acres, so that's a nice bonus. How has that not fell over yet with the wind? John's just rocking him up. Looks like Rob's run out of dry straw. I think we're going to have to wait now till this rain's gone. Maybe tomorrow. That's better. Yeah, I think we've pushed our luck enough today now. Knocked off. We've now got proper rain. We're heading back to the yard now. Stan's there. He's just lives in Northumberland. Auntie works at Alderhay Hospital, so watching out that post. You can't really see it, can you, in the mirror? Yeah, so his auntie works at Alderhay and arranged for him to come and have a look at us working today. So he's got to see the baler and the rake working on the mailer. Right, Stan is going to do today's birthdays. Off you go, Stan.
Right, so happy birthday, Jamie Turnbull. I Clapp is 18. Matt Baker is 40. Harry Baker is 3. Trevor Craze is on that. Curly Turbo Sands is 53. Matthew McMaster is 17. Chris Dennison is 40. Alan Black's on there. And Lena Vlaming is 7.
Yeah, happy birthday everyone on there, and also
Tony Hall,
the legendary Tony Hall. That's correct, yeah. Get well soon, Tony. He's I think got a blood clot in his lung, so sorry to hear you're back in hospital. But yeah, we're up to £73,674. Thanks, Dad. All the way from Northumberland.
Yep.
And his mum's hiding.
You're on TV, Mum.
Now it's wet day, raining. I'm gonna go and pick our Valtra back up. Take this one back. My Valtra's back. Just gonna take it home now. They were worried that the brakes on the front axle were leaking, so they wanted to take the hubs off, and they said it'll take a few hours, so take our demonstrator, and then we just not had time to pick it back up. Anyway, picked it up now, and they've changed the seals. Got a little mooch around the yard. What they've got in, because I believe they've got a 7.810 in, which is very similar to what we had. We had a 7.710. It's very straight. It's not got front axle suspension. Proper tidy though, isn't it? Maybe ready for a set of tyres. R-Edge 97. That is pretty straight, isn't it there? Oh, we had the steps that come this way, didn't they? I wonder how many hours it's done. I don't know if you can see without starting it up. Would you turn it backwards? I can't remember now. No, there's the hour clock. Don't know how you turn it off. Turn the key backwards maybe. No, I don't know how you display the hours. The buttons. Oh, I don't know. Looks like alarm's going off in the workshop. Tidy that though, isn't it? A pea green N series. Got a lot of white Valtras in. There's two there. There's one here. It's a nice grey, isn't it? That's like what we've just had on demo. The John Deere there. Kramer. Fast track with the sprayed up bonnet. Instead of being yellow, they painted it black on silver rims. Oh, is that Jamie's old one? I think it is. I think that's Jamie Burroughs' old one. Some telehandlers. A brand new blue one. Quite a lot of blue ones with white wheels. That's still the best looking one though, isn't it? Back from John Bounds now. Look at that. Puddles everywhere. I've had 10 mil of rain while I've been gone. So in the last probably 3 hours, because I was probably chatting for an hour. Yeah, so that's definitely dampened things a bit. I thought we were going to get a few mil that might stop us combining and stop us baling, but I didn't think it'd stop us doing any field work. But this looks like it could have stopped doing any field work going on tomorrow as well. Anyway, gonna end the video now. Hope you enjoyed it. If you made this far, like, that'd be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Fact, before we end the video, there's the sunset today. Absolutely amazing. There's a better one. Some volunteer sunflowers.